Hello, I just need to tell you that the meeting's been moved to 2 p.m. Okay, bye. Have you ever done that too? Just called someone and jumped straight into the conversation without checking if they are free to talk or not? Don't worry, we've all been there. Hello everyone. So today we are gonna learn professional and polite ways to ask someone if it's a good time to talk on the phone. These are professional ways to start a phone call. Hello, good morning. I'm Amanda from Chris Company. May I speak with Mr. David? So you can greet first, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and tell your name. This is Amanda, this is Stephanie, this is blah blah blah. And at the workplace, like calling from Chris Company, calling from ABC School, calling from this place, like that. So then you can ask, is this the exact person you want to call? May I speak with Dr. Raju? May I speak with Mr. David? May I speak with Stephanie? Whatever you want. So first greet, good morning. This is Amanda from Chris Company. May I speak with Mr. David? Simple. Second way. Hello, good morning. This is Anna from Management Department. Is it a convenient time to talk? That way. Hello, this is Anna from Management Department. Do you have a moment to talk? Is it a convenient time to talk? Next one. Hello, this is Stephanie and thank you for taking my call. I'm calling in connection with the meeting. Next one. Hello, this is Amanda speaking. I'm with David and Sons Company and I'd like to talk to you about the CV you have sent. Next one. I'm calling on behalf of L&D Company. Is it a good time to discuss about our monthly meeting? Next one. Hello, good afternoon. I wanted to go over the event. Let me know if that works for you. Okay. Now we are going to discuss some casual ways to ask, is it a good time to talk on the phone? Hey, this is Amanda. You got a second to talk? Hi, hello. Is that okay to chat for a bit? Hello, can we talk for a minute or is it a bad time? Hi, hello. I hope I'm not interrupting anything. Mind if we talk? Hello, are you free to talk right now? Hi, let me know if this is a bad time. I can call you later. Hi, this is Amanda. Are you good to talk now? Hey, you busy or then we can chat for a bit? Hey, got time to talk or should I hit you up later? So now you know some professional and polite ways to ask, is this a good time to talk without sounding awkward and unsure? Hello, good morning. I'm calling from English in a Nutshell YouTube channel. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more language tips. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.